Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 14th February 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 23.5 points down move, and yesterday was a dampening day for Indian markets. It breached all the way down and closed below 10,800 yesterday. US markets have done pretty good for itself. 117 points up for Dow Jones, Nasdaq up by 5.7 points, and S&P up by 8.3 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in red in today's session. Indian markets have done pretty awful for itself. Yesterday it could not cross the barrier at the level of 10,880, which was a very strong resistance for the market. Now it opened gap up, however came all the way down to the level of 10,794 level and closed there. So it took support at the very key level of support, that is the level of 10,760. The next levels of support we have to watch out for are: first level of support is 10,750, 10,760, 10,729 levels. The next level of support is 10,707 levels. 10,700 of course is a strong support. If 10,700 also is barred, 10,672 is the level of rescue where market may stop and come upwards. If that is also barred, then the next level is 10,650 and 10,600 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. And what are the resistances? Ample resistances available here. At the level of 10,880 is the first level of resistance. 10,900, 10,926, 10,936, 10,950, 10,981, 11,000, 11,050, 11,087, and 11,100, 11,171 are the levels of resistance we have to watch out for. That being said, the MACD is showing dampening move. So MACD is below the exponential, which means that we are totally down on the momentum. We will not go up with this particular momentum being shown. And fast stochastic is showing that it is at the level of 47, and we don't have any good reason for moving upwards is what fast stochastic is showing. Slow stochastic is at the level of 58, which shows that we are not in the oversold zone yet in order for us to go upwards, is what slow stochastic is showing. So that's the technical knowledge for today. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I'll be teaching you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. That session is happening next week in 91 Springboard's Residency Road. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.